In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create an audience in Mailchimp. Perfect if you're new to email marketing or just need to stay organized. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account and clicking on the Audience tab on the left. From here, select Add Contacts. Then choose Import Contacts. You'll see multiple ways to upload your list, but the easiest method is copy and paste if you already have emails in a document or spreadsheet. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Now, paste your contacts and fill in details like email, name, and address. Next, assign tags to keep your audience organized, like newsletter, leads, or event attendees. This makes targeted email campaigns much easier. Once you've reviewed everything, click Finalize Import, then Complete Import. And that's it. Your new Mailchimp audience is ready to use in your campaigns. Keep your contacts organized and your marketing smarter with this simple setup.